What's going on, guys? We are at, you want to tell us where we're at?
Brooksville Motocross, formerly known as Extreme Kids.
Okay.
See if it's supposed to be open now for all bikes.
All right, for big bikes too, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna go out here and check the track out. I brought my 125 out for this one. This is a flat earther, Jacob. Go ahead and argue in the comments.
Flat.
Yep. Go ahead and argue in the comments if you can prove it's round. We don't think you can.
I can't prove it's flat or round.
Right, that's it.
Yep.
I really think that instead of asking him that, you should have him sing the song like Metallica's One, because we really know that he's from.
I was singing a lot this morning, so I'm all warmed up.
Yeah.
Okay.
I cannot live. I cannot die. That's him.
Uh-oh, everyone's starting up their bikes. They're all ready to ride. What's up, Patrick? Woo!
Grab my canopy.
Okay, I'm on the 125 today. Let me gear up, go out here, see what I think. I put on my hard pack wheels because I've been told this track's a little bit hard pack. Let's go see.
It's really fun, but the slick corners and how tight the track is makes it a little annoying, but other than that, I'm not picky either.
Okay. How about the jumps?
Jumps are fun, especially for me. I can clear them all.
All right.
Yeah.
So you like it?
Yeah.
What do you think, Patrick?
I think it's a great track if you're not looking for a lot of risk. Super good jumps, the way they built them. The faces stay consistent all day. My only issue is that the tight stuff in the front there, it's dry and slick because it's super hard packed. So you got to mind yourself on that. But other than that, Fun track.
Yeah, I wish they would put more water down. I think
I
think
mean,
it'd be
super
far
dusty
better.
already.
Water and a little tilt.
By the end of the day,
Maybe
the top of the
building the
dirt will turn
berms, like
black.
the turns, the
They
tight
need berms.
ones, they need berms.
Yeah,
They
they
Yeah.
have- they're all flat turns, so
Flatten off camber.
there's a couple little ruts that are kind of fun, but other than that, you're basically flat tracking. Yeah,
I
you're drifting.
saw Chris go to that left-hander there before that little single hump. I saw you slide out a little bit.
Yeah.
And then I watched you every lap after that.
Line over there.
I saw that,
saw
man.
my cheater
yeah,
line.
and I was trying to catch up to you, so I had to cheat too, because you gained like 5 bike lengths doing that.
And actually, this is the first track I've been to in a while that I passed and lapped a bunch of riders.
Me
So
too.
I feel fast today.
Yeah, I'm waiting for Joey to pass me because I did all the passing on that ride. If you don't pass me today, it's gonna be pretty sad.
I'll get you.
Okay, I'm not gonna
next
make it
practice.
easy though.
Next practice,
Oh
I'll get you.
shit!
We need to have,
the
we need to
first-
have
You're gonna
everybody
catch me
race.
when I'm sleeping, aren't you?
As soon as I got on the track, that little tiny tabletop that
Yeah.
has a right-hander. Well, I'm looking ahead. I'm like, okay, it goes straight afterwards. No, it does not. I sent it into the fucking corner.
Oh, me too. The first time.
I
Me too.
landed flat in the corner and had to jump off the track.
Yep. So, Joey, what do you think about the track?
I mean,
You only got 4 laps in.
I
so
got
far.
4 laps in, but I mean, if they watered it, it'd be better. But
Okay.
besides that, I mean, it's just a beginner track.
It's also
you can
$20
push hard on
less
it.
per rider than
For
at
30 bucks, you can't beat it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
30 bucks. Yeah.
And
How about the fun factor?
You're gonna have to give me down to practice.
Okay. What do you think about this track?
Yeah, it's pretty fun for like beginner level, but I think I'm like just too fast for this stuff.
You're ripping.
Yeah.
You laying it sideways all over the jumps.
Yeah, I've stalled out pretty bad in the corner, and my bike wouldn't start for like a good minute straight, so I had lappers come up to me and I had to
Oh,
go catch
crap.
them and stuff.
What do you think about the jumps out here?
The jumps are fun, except for that one in the back. There's the if you go too fast, you go over that little
Yeah, the
turn.
corner.
Yeah.
Yep.
But it's pretty fun overall.
I think it would be better if they just put some water down. How about you?
Water, yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
It's a little
And how about you, David?
I think the jumps are super fun, but the corners are hard, and I feel like they need to mix some sand into it or something.
Okay.
Definitely.
What would you rate the fun factor?
Probably 7.5.
7.5. It's pretty fun.
Yeah.
Okay. Abram, what do you think? Is it pretty fun? Is it a fun track at least?
Yeah, I would say for if you just want to have fun for a day, it's definitely like a good good to practice on.
Okay.
Yeah.
And how about you,
It's
Daniel?
pretty
Right?
good, yeah.
All right.
Pretty good. It's too flat for me. I think there needs to be some berms.
Yeah,
The
definitely
jumps need to
berms.
be a little bit bigger.
Yeah.
A little longer.
I think
they
if
they are booters.
Yeah.
So,
And I
you
think
could
if they
definitely
gave it some
send it
berms,
harder.
it'd be a lot better.
100%.
Like that tabletop right up at the front there. They kind of have a berm there. If you go up high, you can hit it.
Yeah, no, I've seen that. Like right after that jump.
Yeah.
Where everyone's watching. That,
Yeah.
that, like corner roller berm.
Yep.
That one's like super slick. If you hit
Yeah.
it too hard, you're gonna fall off. I almost fell right there.
What would you rate the fun factor here?
Probably a 7 out of 10.
So it's kind of fun.
Yeah, it's fun.
Okay.
Definitely fun. Definitely worth the money.
Yeah. Yeah, for 30 bucks.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's different, right?
Yeah.
Definitely different. I think the length's pretty good too. It's pretty long.
Yeah,
It's
you
nice
don't get
and long. And then you got the back section back there where you get all technical, rear
Yeah.
braking it. All.
you don't get tired very easy here, so that's nice.
That you don't.
Yeah.
Except for your fingers for hitting that front
Yeah.
brake over and over.
And if you tip over, you're kind of screwed.
Yeah, I haven't tipped over yet. I don't plan on it. Too old for that.
Put water on it and not as dusty. I feel like when I go into the corner and accelerate, it just like slides out the back end.
Yeah.
First lap, I went like this, tried to go through the corner, and just went back end swooped.
Okay.
Which it wasn't that bad because I got lined up, but
Yeah.
if you went too much, you could go loop up.
All right. Well, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let you guys get a few more rides in. I'm gonna let you, and and then I'll see what y'all think then. Sweet. Thanks, guys. Fast. Thank you. Fast. Yeah, he's fast.
His Christmas present from me. He picked it out though. I didn't get the back. You'll have to edit this out.
All right, David, now that you have some laps on this track, what do you think?
So like the water helped a lot, definitely.
It
Like,
did? Okay.
It was dry at first, now it's super good. The jumps are super fun.
All right.
Overall good track. I
Yeah.
would come here again.
All right. And you still feel good about the jumps?
Yeah.
Yeah.
They like the lips don't get chewed up or anything.
No.
Just go over them.
Yeah.
Pretty fun.
Okay. What would you say is the pro of this track? Pro and con? What's the pro?
I don't really know. it's fun.
Okay. So that's the pro. It's fun.
Yeah.
How about the con?
I don't really know.
How about you? Pro and con?
Pro seems to be that it's pretty mellow out here. Like everyone's just chill.
All right.
Nobody's too strict or anything. Con is it needs more water.
Yeah. That's it.
Always.
Needs more water. I agree.
Yo,
Yo.
Jorge Prado just, well, crashed 30 minutes ago, I think, but
Oh no.
bam-o.
Oh, that's not good. Hope he's
That might be
okay.
a collarbone.
Oh man, that's not
Oh,
good.
I don't know. He pushed up, but I don't mean nothing. Adrenaline.
How about you? Now that you have some more laps on it,
I
what do you?
like it here. I'm
Yeah.
having fun.
We're doing pros and cons. What's the pros?
Fun jumps. cool layout. It's a little slippery, I think is the only con, but that kind of makes it fun to learn throttle control, weighting your outside peg,
All right.
some rough edges.
It's fun, right?
Yeah, it's fun.
I am having a good time.
Yeah, the fun factor's way up today.
Awesome. Thanks, man. How about you, robot woman?
I give it a double thumbs down.
Oh, that ain't good. Why don't you like it?
If it's hard pack, it's not for me.
Okay.
This is hard pack.
Yeah, and she doesn't like hard pack, by the way. Joey's gonna put the GoPro on and go out there and rip for us. But so far, what are you thinking about the track now you have some laps in?
I mean, at first you're like, oh, this track's kind of shitty, but but once you actually like ride the track and you understand that you just need throttle control and brake control, it's not that bad.
Okay.
It's actually fun because there's a lot of people here, so you're just bobbing and weaving.
Yeah.
Which I hope we can get that on video, because if we would have been videoing that last session, there was like a massive group of people. Me and him were just cutting through.
Well, I was with you guys for a little bit, so I'll have my GoPro running.
Yeah.
And
yeah,
then,
we caught up to you in the split section.
Yeah, in the S section, yeah.
And then I don't know when I got.
Y'all got me over here on the for that tabletop. I went outside and you guys went inside, and that was it. Okay. So I'm gonna have to start taking the inside there, but it's a fun factor. It's pretty good, right?
Yeah, it's more fun than you would expect for there to be no jumps.
Well, there's jumps, but yeah, they're not like
they're not booters.
Yeah,
they're nothing like that other video we took.
Yeah, no, right, the boneyard.
Yeah, there ain't no crazy triple jump.
But it's
enough to
scratch the itch.
Yeah, it scratches the itch.
Yeah,
but
would you come here again?
Well, yeah, I'll come here again.
Okay.
As long as there's a lot of people coming, I would love it.
You like the crowd, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's fun to be able to pass people.
All right.
Is it recording?
Yes.
All right. Fuck yeah. fucking thing ripped. I hate Chris's line.
Got it hot. I can smell it.
Yeah, she's running.
Yeah, he started off.
All right, well, that's pretty much a wrap for my test day over here at Brooksville Motocross. You can see they're still out there riding it, but I'm kind of worn out. It's a nice place. I like it. Definitely worth checking out if you live in the area. We're going to be moving to Brooksville in about a year, maybe 2 years. We have 8.5 acres that we're building on. We're going to open a bigger shop over there, have a test track, and live on the property. So it's nice to have these tracks around where it'll be a little bit closer to me once I move up here to Brooksville. But yeah, definitely, I had a great time. The track is fun. I do agree with everyone else. They need to put more water down and maybe give us a little bit more berms in the corners and not so flat. But otherwise, it's fun. I actually had a blast. So, and the price is right, 30 bucks. Here's the track's information. If you're interested in come out here and checking it out, you can also find them on Facebook by typing in Brooksville Motocross. And of course, the 125 was real fun out here. I like the 125 in these type of tracks for whatever reason. But anyway, that's pretty much a wrap for this review. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to come out here and check this place out and catch you in the next video.